Hi, this is Usman Malik of LondonLawTutor.com, and this podcast is going to be about becoming a lawyer, solicitor, or a barrister in England and Wales. Now, any of you who are contemplating the beginning of this fascinating and intellectually rigorous journey to becoming a lawyer need to understand that it will be difficult. There will be times when you feel that you can give up, but if you remain persistent and resilient in your pursuit of academic excellence, you will see the intellectual and professional rewards once you do get to the end of the road. In England and Wales, if you want to become a lawyer, the method is different for becoming either a solicitor and barrister. First, you do an undergraduate degree in LLB honors, and then you pursue the legal practice course to becoming a solicitor. And you can also pursue the bar professional training course if you would like to be a barrister. What is the difference between the two? Well, it is quite simple, really. The solicitors, who also have rights of audience to appear in court, can be thought of like general medical practitioners. So if you have a medical problem, you would go to a GP. When you have a legal problem, you go to a solicitor, who is your first point of contact, who can then refer you to a particular barrister that specializes in any area of litigation to appear in the court. However, we have seen that through the passage of time, solicitors also have received rights of audience and they can appear in higher courts as well now. So I hope this sort of gives you an understanding of the different methods and the process of becoming a lawyer. And you should keep in mind that a law degree can lead to many other professions, not just being a lawyer and practicing law. You can go into academia, whereby you can pursue maybe a master's in law and a PhD perhaps. So there are a lot of different professions like law enforcement and security agencies you can join after gaining your law degree. It does not necessarily mean that you have to practice as a lawyer. So I hope this gives you a useful understanding, and please remember that once you do become a lawyer, you have certain duties towards society and towards your clients. Solicitors in England and Wales, the profession itself is regulated by the Solicitors Regulation Authority, and barristers are regulated by the Bar Standards Board. And you can find a lot of useful information on their respective websites. So the academic route is either you do any undergrad and do a 1-year GDL, Graduate Diploma in Law. That is a conversion course, and then you can do the LPC or BPTC, or you can do a LLB, then LPC or BPTC, and become either a solicitor or barrister. However, once you complete the LPC, you would need to do a training contract for 2 years in order to qualify through the conventional way. Or if you're qualified in a recognized jurisdiction, then you can do the Qualified Lawyers Transfer Scheme exam and then qualify as a solicitor that way. For a barrister, you would need to secure a pupillage and then become a qualified barrister upon completion of that. So hopefully this would give you a useful understanding, and then please keep in mind that as a lawyer you need to be able to be commercially aware, so you can put yourself in your client's shoes and then think with all your legal skills how to structure their legal arrangements accordingly. So that's pretty much the crux, and hopefully this has given you a good understanding of how the profession works and is regulated. Many people ask us this question, therefore we thought it would be a good subject to do a podcast on. Thank you very much for listening. Take care.